Hey guys, it's Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. I am going to show you how to prune back your Endless Summer Hydrangeas. I'm going to flip the camera here. So I have Endless Summers here. These guys are, as you can see, pink blooming ones. They're bulb shape. They can come in purple or blue depending on how acidic your soil is. These are a macrophylla hydrangea, and they're the easiest hydrangea to prune in the fall because you are not going to prune them. Don't touch them at all. You can clean up the leaves once they fall off the shrub, but other than that, do not clean them up. Why is because they have already set buds for next year. So see here, that is a bud for next year. Down inside here, if you follow the stem along, there's already buds down here wherever the leaf joins the main stem. There's buds all for next year. So if you start going out in the garden and start pruning these and cleaning them up, you're gonna cut off all your potential blooms for next year. So your Endless Summers, your macrophylla hydrangeas, are gonna be your easiest maintenance hydrangea because you're not gonna touch them. In the spring, once foliage has all come out, say in May, June type thing, once it is leafed out, sometimes you'll have some dead sticks on the top. You can then go and prune those pieces off because it's dead, so nothing's going to come up. But other than that, you don't touch them. If you get an unruly branch here or there, you can cut that off, but leave them alone. They will do their thing on their own. If you've had them before, you might also notice that they're sometimes an unreliable bloomer, and that is also because that bud is already set. And if we have a nice spring in March and then it kind of goes cold in April, that cold will burn that bloom off. So what you can always do if you really want them to bloom more reliably is to cover them in burlap, or even cover them in burlap really kind of late winter, early spring. So February, March, you can cover them with burlap just to protect them from the frost. That might also help them to bloom a little bit better for you. But otherwise, do not touch them. They are the easiest maintenance hydrangea because of that. Have a great day, guys.